welcome. This is Jit Dolakia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Flash flooding, hydro outages reported as severe weather hits Toronto. Thousands of people are without power and flash flooding has been reported across Toronto in Canada after severe weather slammed the city this afternoon. A heavy thunderstorm passed through the city for about an hour on Wednesday, swelling waterways, downing trees and flooding basements. According to the Toronto and Region Conservation Authority, the storm dropped about 65 millimeters of rain on some areas of the city within about half an hour. Video showed dozens of cars half submerged in water in a parking lot near Ellington Avenue and Caledonia Road. Basement homes in the area were also reportedly flooded. Storms began rolling through the city's west end in the afternoon. The area was expected to get about 25 millimeters of rain in less than an hour, Environment Canada had said. The agency urged people to avoid driving through water on roads and to watch out for potential washouts near rivers, creeks and culverts as well as local street flooding. Initially, Environment Canada issued a tornado watch for Toronto but lifted it later. Toronto police reported that several areas in the west end experienced flooding. Flooding was also reported under the bridge on Ossington Avenue between DuPont Street and Geary Avenue. Although not all calls were related to the storm, many were about power outages, property damage due to the city trees and branches falling, and flooded catch basins and basements. Emergency crews said they are trying to restore power as quickly as possible provided the conditions are safe for them to work. Crews are focused on addressing safety issues first, including downed wires and trees falling on power lines. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. For more weather updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.